Exposing the secret in your junk drawer. Those old batteries can work like new again. First, gather your supplies: safety goggles, gloves, distilled water, a small funnel, and a battery charger. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Put on your safety gear. Safety first, always. Now carefully remove the battery from any device. Next, use a small screwdriver to gently pry off the sealed cap. Be cautious here. Once open, pour out any old fluid inside the battery into a safe container. Step 2. Mix distilled water with an equal part of baking soda. Use your funnel to pour this mixture into the battery cells. This cleans out any residual gunk. Step 3. Drain the cleaning solution, then fill the cells with fresh distilled water. Close the caps tightly. Finally, connect your battery to a charger and let it charge fully. And there you have it, a revitalized battery ready for use eBay. Save money and the planet one battery at a time.